Choose the item you would like to customize. Click on the Customize button. On the left side design panel, you'll find different options. First of all, you need to choose option from front, back, front pocket, or sleeve area of the garment. Once you've done that, then choose color of the garment. Under Add Designs, you can explore clip art, shapes, or even draw freehand. Looking for inspiration? Check out Design Ideas, where we've added pre-made templates for you. Now let's walk through an example, adding an image and placing text underneath it. First, check the tick box to agree with our terms and conditions. Then, you can browse file from your computer, mobile, or any media from where you like to add photo or artwork. Once you upload the image, you can resize the image and place it where you like to keep the image on the garment. To add text, simply click on Add Text and start typing. You can customize the font, color, border, and effects to suit your design. Once you've done, you can click on Order option to finalize color and quantity of the garment before you check out the item.